Dr. Rugenstein here, and I'm in Ogdensburg, New York, and I thought I would just show you the first place I ever worked at in 1979. Now at the time it was called the Ogdensburg Technology Park. It now has a different name, and I'll put that in the description. That's Route 37 out there. At one time that's Proctor Avenue. If you look at my Ogdensburg video, you'll know where Proctor Avenue is, and I actually think I come in here a little bit, but in any case, it's Route 37. It used to go out that way. State Hospital's in the back. But 814 was Harris Technology, which was a subdivision of J-Tech Ribbon in Ottawa, Canada. And at the time, I was the chief engineer. And we built, I was in charge of an industrial expansion and design. What we did at the time was we made magnetic tape cartridges for computers. Back then they used mag tape. Again, it's come a long ways. And we had mag cards too, magnetic cards that they used. But that was the place right there. At the time I was 23 maybe. I had come out and been an engineer and rode a motorcycle from over around the corner there to here at one point, just fooling around with it. But this place has changed a lot. Some of the buildings are gone, but this was Harris Technologies, J-Tech Ribbons, and out of Ottawa, Canada. So I just thought I'd take a few minutes and show you this. So as always, please subscribe, ring the bell, tell others, leave a comment. And don't forget to look in the description. There'll be more information there about my books, about merchandise for the channel, and also Gypsy Guy, which has fantastic clothing. So for hiking and that sort of thing. So with that, have a good day.